Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to use Google Sheet on a go on your mobile phone to work anywhere. So here I already opened my Google Sheet application, and after that you just need to go click this plus button to create the documents, and after that you need to prepare the titles for the documents. For example, inventory book. And after you're done, you just need to go click create. And now working with Google spreadsheet or Google Sheet is working with cells. So what is cells actually? Cells is the combination between the columns that is signed by the alphabet here and the rows that is signed by the number. So the combination of both will be produce a cells. So I click these boxes. This box is called cells. So this will be cells, the name of A4, so it calls A4 cells. This one is C7 cells, and this one is D3 cells. And to add information on this part, you just need to go click the boxes or the cells, and after that go click this pencils button and start typing the information inside of this box. So for a simple inventory, report, and after that you can just add a code item, and after that you just need to go like price, total, quantity, and net. And after that you just need to input everything according to the information that you have here. And after you're done with the work with this Google Sheets application, you just need to go click this done symbols and go back, and those documents will be automatically saved into your phone. To bring it back to work with it again, you just need to click it to open it, and it's already saved just the same as you left these documents. So that's the way how to work with Google Sheet on your iPhone. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.